Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a push golf shot. A push shot is when your golf ball flies straight but significantly to the right of your intended target for a right-handed golfer. This common issue often stems from an inside-out swing path combined with an open club face at impact. We will explore specific adjustments to your grip, swing path, and impact position to help you hit straighter shots consistently. Let's start with your grip, a fundamental element. An overly strong grip, where your left hand is turned too far to the right, can prevent the club face from closing properly at impact, leading to that push. Try weakening your grip slightly. For a right-handed golfer, this means turning your left hand a little more to the left. Ensure your left thumb points down the shaft, promoting a more neutral and effective club face control. Next, let's address your swing path and alignment. A common culprit for the push is an excessively inside-out swing path, where the club approaches the ball too much from behind you. Focus on feeling like you are swinging more directly down your target line. Also, ensure your body alignment is square. Your shoulders, hips, and feet should all be parallel to your target line, preventing you from aiming right subconsciously. Finally, let's incorporate some drills for impact and follow-through. Practice hitting half swings, focusing intently on squaring the club face at impact. Feel your forearms rotate naturally through the hitting zone, which helps close the club face. A great drill is to finish your swing with your chest facing the target and your weight fully on your lead foot. This promotes a complete rotation and a more consistent, push-free ball flight.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.